Hello, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my, I guess my first apartment, bedroom. I'm not going to do the whole apartment because downstairs is kind of a mess. I live with 5 people, like including myself, so, yeah, I didn't really feel like cleaning it. But basically I'm, like, I guess some stuff's moving into my room and then we're starting to move out, so this is basically the last day that it's gonna look, I guess, how I wanted it to, so it's not entirely clean, but it's pretty like tidied up, so yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what's in here. If you have any questions about where things are from, definitely just comment down below and I'll let you know. I will at least tell you like the stuff that I didn't buy, like that came with the apartment, mostly because it's stuff that I would not have picked out, so I don't want y'all to think that's my taste. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, there's like junk down here, I'm just not gonna show it, but this is, I guess the wall to the left of the door, and on my bookshelf, again, this is a little messy, I did not clean up the top half, but I do like this little thing back here, but yeah, so I'll just show y'all what's here. We have my Holga camera, this is brand new, some candles, also this like, globe thing is from IKEA, and normally I don't turn my overhead lights on, I just have like little lamps here and there. I did turn the overhead on for purposes of showing you my room, but coming down this way, there's just a whole bunch of little knickknacks, some candles, my iPad. Also, I recently got a bouquet of roses for my dance show, so they're kind of dispersed everywhere, so you'll see quite a few of those. Then we have my books. Actually it's books and DVDs. A lot of them are like photo books over here, and then novels and DVDs. But yeah. And then I'm not gonna go through all these, they're just storage. But coming up to here, it's like essential oils and medicine. I really love this diffuser. It's from Muji. It's like the big living room one, but I like it in here. And also, I do actually turn that lava lamp on a lot. I just forgot to today. And then finally up here, this is the book I'm currently reading. Yeah, just some random stuff, some lotion. But yeah, okay. So now we have the big tapestry up here. That's from Urban. That's been in like all of my college dorms and this apartment. I've lived here for 2 years, though technically I was out for like 6 months because for COVID I went home, but anyway, that's kind of followed me around. And then we have my bed, and this never looks the right color on camera. It's definitely not this like blue-green, it's, I don't know, just imagine it with a little more yellow to it, so it's not that, I don't like this color that's showing up, but yeah, it never shows up right. But anyway, this, I guess it's just a duvet, and then the pillowcases came from IKEA. Actually, most of the bedding is from IKEA, except for a few pillows from, I think, Target or something. But yeah. Also, this bear right here is from Daiso. And then there's my first window, and those lights are from Target. Okay, and then this is not showing up as well because of the windows. I have some of my photographs over here, and then the big full-length mirror, which it's in a kind of unfortunate place. This chair has moved around because basically I wanted better lighting for Zoom. But yeah, so you can like kind of see the whole outfit, but not exactly, but you know, it's fine. And we have a clock up there that does not work, so that's cool. And then this is actually a cork board, and I just put like mini prints of some of my photos, and this thing from Target. And we have a lamp, and this one's pretty cool because you can like adjust like which ones are on. I usually do that one because when you're sitting in the chair it feels like it's coming from the window. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah. And then I keep some masks there so I can reuse them a little bit. And then we have this chair, which I really love, again from IKEA. Let's assume that most stuff is from IKEA unless I say otherwise, but yeah, this chair. And then I actually don't remember where this is from, but I do like that little footstool. It might be from Tuesday morning, honestly. And then, obviously, so this is my second window. And down here we have some knickknacks. This windowsill is kind of disgusting. Basically, like, they painted over dust and didn't dust it off. So, yeah. Don't look too closely at the windowsill. But, yeah. And then, this is going to be hard to show, but I really love this blue vase. I got it at an antique mall. And the macrame is from Etsy, I think. Yeah. And then, so I have like these string lights that basically go all the way around, but they don't work anymore, and I've just been too lazy to replace them. So at this point I'm about to move out, so I just kind of left them there. But yeah, and this is the bathroom. This is probably the best part, my sign. I'm not gonna go into too much detail in there because she's not very clean. But oh, I will show you on the windowsill. This fell off of a succulent and it's starting to flower a little bit. You can't really tell, but yeah. And then we have Totoro right here. I do like this one print, which is kind of hard to see in the reflection, plus this one. Those were both in my, I think, freshman or sophomore dorm. So now back out here, again, I have 2 more photos. And then my kettle and some tea type stuff. And this fridge, which I think is from Home Depot, and I really love it. I don't have, well, actually it is pretty full right now. Yeah. Then we have my closet, and I just keep like purses and backpack, like that's my school bag. Yeah. Oh, and some dance shoes. And then here's where my clothes are on this side. And then there's like shoes and a whole bunch of other junk, like food up there. And storage. Okay. So now we're at the desk part of my room, and this cart is quite messy. It was organized at one point, and it's the end of the semester, so it's a little messy, but, and that bag right there is all my acrylic paint, and so it's kind of moved around, but it's just sitting there. Cleaning supplies, and I'm not gonna go into my desk, but there's like a printer and some more storage. On my desktop though, these little containers plus the one that's over there, I unboxed in a vlog, I think. But those are from Etsy. So I really like those. And that like frosted plastic thing is masks. Another vase with flowers, same as that obviously. And this one I keep my keys and right now a flash drive. And then my lamp, another lamp. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then up here, I just have some more prints. And there's my door. So that's my room. She's not huge, but she's definitely a good size. My rent is pretty cheap here. Yeah, if you have any specific questions, let me know. I'm trying not to make this too long. Oh, but what I was gonna say, like the desk, and then there's like some under bed storage, and then the bed frame, all that was already here. So it was nice financially, but it's probably not what I would have picked out. But yeah, here she is. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.